Tune in, everybody. Let's go start the show. The digital revolution, ready to flow. Fast beats and bites through the cyberspace. Techno dance of light, a virtual embrace. Welcome to the live stream where the future gleams. Digital scenes, pushing past your dreams. Click the link, join the crew in this revolution. It's all about you. Lights of code and screens, a new world to find. Heartbeats in the bandwidth, leave the past behind. Welcome to the live stream where the future gleams. Digital scenes, pushing past your dreams. Click the link, join the crew in this revolution. It's all about lights of code and screens, a new world to find. Heartbeats in the bandwidth, leave the past behind. Welcome to the live stream where the future gleams. Digital scenes, pushing past your dreams. Welcome to the live stream where the future gleams. Digital scenes, pushing past your dreams.
Welcome everyone to another exciting live stream of the digital revolution. On this broadcast, we're focusing on a specific highlight from yesterday's Apple Glowtime event, which is the groundbreaking advancements in Apple Intelligence. I'll also be providing some insightful commentary on how Apple Intelligence will benefit Apple device owners. Yesterday, Apple unveiled a suite of new features under the Apple Intelligence banner, set to roll out with the iOS 18, iPad OS 18, and Mac OS Sequoia this fall. These updates are designed to integrate generative artificial intelligence seamlessly into your daily digital experience. From enhanced writing tools to advanced image generation capabilities, Apple is making a significant leap forward in the AI space. Okay, before we get started, let me mention that this live stream is made possible with the amazing live streaming, audio, and video recording, plus webinar platform solution from StreamYard. Here's why you should consider using StreamYard as a content creator or a webinar host. StreamYard is the ultimate live streaming platform. Are you a content creator looking to take your live streams to the next level? Or are you looking to become a content creator? Look no further than StreamYard. Whether you're a podcaster, gamer, educator, business owner, or professional, StreamYard offers powerful features to enhance your live broadcasts. So why use StreamYard? First, easy setup and professional quality. StreamYard is user-friendly and requires no technical expertise. Simply sign up using my special link that you'll find in this event's description, and you'll be up and running in minutes. Enjoy professional quality streams with customizable overlays, logos, and backgrounds. Secondly, and great for branding across many platforms, is multi-platform broadcasting. Stream to multiple platforms simultaneously, including Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, X, and more. You can reach a wider audience by broadcasting across various channels. How about conducting guest interviews with ease? Invite guests to join your stream remotely. StreamYard's virtual studio allows seamless collaboration. Conduct interviews, panel discussions, or Q&A sessions effortlessly. Engage with your audience by using StreamYard's live chat feature to interact with viewers in real time. Display comments on screen and build a community around your content. When it comes to branding and customization, you can brand your streams with custom overlays, watermarks, and lower thirds. Also, showcase your logo and maintain a consistent visual identity. And lastly, recording and repurposing. Record your live streams for later use. Repurpose them as podcast episodes, YouTube videos, or social media content. StreamYard's recording feature ensures you never miss a moment. Okay, so after this live event ends, get started with StreamYard for free. Sign up using my special link added to this event's description and also posted in the comments. By using this link, you'll receive exclusive benefits such as free basic plans so you can start live streaming without any cost. Think of doing a trial run. And if live streaming and recording audio and video via StreamYard is what you want to do, then step up your game and get a $10 credit when you upgrade to a StreamYard paid plan and enjoy additional value-added advanced features. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Join the StreamYard community that I've been a member of since 2020 and create captivating live and recorded content and more. So what are you waiting for? Sign up with StreamYard today. The video that I'll be commenting on and adding additional information on the technology was presented by Apple Senior Vice President of Software Engineering, Craig Fierigherty. I'll be stopping the video periodically to speak.
Your iPhone is the most personal product in your life. It's part of so many things that make you, you. Now, we're bringing together that personal context with the power of generative models to deliver intelligence that understands you.
What I want to do is talk about generative artificial intelligence. Generative artificial intelligence is a type of AI that can create new content, such as text, images, music, or even videos based on patterns that it has learned from existing data. Imagine it like a very smart artist or a writer who has studied a lot of examples and can now produce original works that resemble what they've learned. Now here's a simple breakdown. It's going to be learning from data. Generative AI models are trained on large amounts of data. For example, a model that generates text might be trained on thousands of books and articles. Generating new content, once trained, these models can create new content that looks very familiar to the training data. For example, a text-generating AI can write essays, stories, or even code-based prompts that you give it. Now, applications, this technology is used in various fields. For example, it can create new designs for artists, it can assist writers in drafting content, or even generate realistic images and videos for entertaining and for marketing. Now, a popular example is ChatGPT, which can have conversations, write essays, and answer questions by generating text that sounds like it was written by a human.
Starting with writing tools. You'll be able to rewrite hastily written notes into a polished dinner party invite. Adjust the tone of that Slack message to your boss to sound a little more professional. Or proofread your latest review on Goodreads before posting it to your fellow bookworms. Sometimes the best way to get your point across isn't with words, it's with emoji. you'll be able to create new emoji simply by typing a description, or create fun original images with Image Playground.
So I'm going to stop it here. AI emojis and AI art and also AI images, they're really cool. And this is how it's done. Apple has introduced several AI-powered tools under Apple Intelligence. Their initiative is related to the artwork and emojis and images, is to create them and have them look very high quality. Now here's a breakdown of how these tools work. The first one is called Genmoji. This is going to be the emoji. So Genmojis is a feature that allows users to generate emoji-like images through text prompts. For example, you can type in a description like a T-Rex wearing a tutu on a surfboard, and Genmoji will create multiple versions of this image for you to choose from. Now, this feature is part of the upcoming iOS 18 release and is basically designed to make messaging more fun and very expressive. So instead of having a limited set of emojis, now you'll have a larger amount of emojis to be able to create through text prompts. The next feature is called Image Playground. Now, Image Playground is another AI tool that lets users generate images based on text descriptions. It can create images in various styles, such as animation, illustration, and even sketch. And users can describe what they want, like a cat as an astronaut in space. And the tool will generate that image. This tool also is going to be integrated in apps like Messages, Freeform, and Keynote, making it easier to use across different platforms. Now, another feature is called Personal Context. Apple's AI also uses personal context to make suggestions based on your interactions and data from apps like Photos and Messages. For instance, it can generate images of people you know, adding fun elements like costumes or accessories. Now, these tools are designed to enhance creativity and make digital communications more engaging. They leverage advanced AI to understand and generate content based on user input, making it easier for anyone to create unique and personalized images.
Suppose you've got a photo in mind that you took ages ago, but can't remember exactly when or where. Just describe it, and Apple Intelligence will find it for you. It even works for getting straight to a specific moment in a video. You'll also be able to create an entire movie just by typing a description of whatever you have in mind. Apple Intelligence will automatically find relevant photos and videos and smartly arrange them into a storyline. Apple Intelligence.
So what's interesting about this is how the AI can be utilized to search, find points in videos, and then also how it can take photos and videos to personalize them to kind of put them into a photo story or create an actual AI generated video for you. Now, here's how it works. There's a feature called Memories, and Memories is in the Photos app for iOS 18, and it automatically selects the best photos and videos based on various criteria like location, date, and also for people that are involved as well. Now, the AI then creates a storyline and arranges it into a cohesive video, and it can also offer a narrative arc, and it can add music, it can add transitions, and it can make the video more engaging. And again, this is something that you don't need to have any type of editing experience. You don't have to worry about laying everything out, going through and figuring out what photos to use, what videos to use, what parts to use, and putting all that together. It just does it for you through prompts and other type of features that will give it the ability to do it. The next is AI Video Generator, and this is very exciting. Now, Apple will offer this tool that can transform images and text prompts into, like I mentioned earlier, into videos. And this tool also will analyze uploaded images, it will identify key visual elements, and it will create dynamic video clips by adding transitions and effects. Now, this is very useful for creating educational videos, storytelling, or even marketing content. And then back to personal context, as I mentioned earlier, is that Apple Intelligence uses this personal context to make the videos more relevant and personalized. And it can recognize people in your photos and then create videos featuring them. And it can add in different fun elements and, again, theme music or really special effects. Now, these tools were designed to make it easier for anyone to create professional-looking videos without needing advanced editing skills. They leverage AI to handle the complex parts, allowing users to focus on creativity and personalization.
Intelligence on iPhone 16 will help you prioritize and focus on your most essential communication. In Mail, you'll see summaries that convey the most useful information. Your notifications will be summarized too. And priority notifications will be placed at the top of your stack, so you won't miss a last-minute invitation. Your iPhone is with you everywhere you go, and we wanted to give you the ability to instantly learn about everything you see with iPhone 16's new camera control. Suppose you stumble upon a restaurant you haven't been to before. With just a click, your iPhone instantly pulls up restaurant hours and quick options to check out the menu or make a reservation. And say you come across a flyer for an interesting event. Just click and add it to your calendar in the blink of an eye. What kind of dog is that? Now you know. If you come across a bike that looks exactly like the kind you're in the market for, just tap to search Google for where you can buy something similar. And if you're stuck on a particular concept, just use the camera control to ask ChatGPT for guidance. Apple Intelligence.
So what's interesting about this aspect of not only the Apple new iPhone, but also too with the Apple Intelligence, is that it offers these unique features that really take everyday tasks like, searching, purchasing, scheduling, looking up, even taking a photograph and saying, what is this? And AI will tell you what it is. What's unique about this is it really does offer a unique opportunity to make the mobile phone, and especially the AI aspect of it, more personalized. Now, here's how some of that works for you. In photo search, Apple Intelligence uses advanced image recognition to help find specific photos. As I mentioned earlier, you can search it, but you also can use it to take photos, and then also it will recognize frequent, friends, associates that you have, family members, and it will retain that information as well, so that when you take photographs, it can file everything for you. So if you're taking photographs of your parents, for example, it will know that this is your mother, this is your father, or whoever in your family, and then file it as you would like it to be filed. What's also nice about it is it gives you the ability to task the AI by, what is this image? For example, you saw on there the e-bike. And so it looked and saw that bike and to be able to find it and be able to purchase it, for example. But let me talk a little bit more about this. One of the other features that I really like about this Apple Intelligence aspect with the new iOS is the scheduling. Now, when it comes to scheduling, Apple Intelligence is integrated with the Apple Calendar and also reminders, and it can suggest meeting times based on your availability. Instead of you going through looking for your availability, it can actually go through, find availability, and offer you recommendations. And then it also can recognize events mentioned in messages or emails. And if you, for example, if you receive a message about a dinner plan, it can automatically suggest adding it to your calendar. And in addition to that, it can actually go out and book a reservation for you. And again, it's using also to the assistant, the digital assistant. And, as that assistant can help as well, it's the same type of functionality, just a little different, and you don't always have to use the voice prompts to be able to make it happen. Now, for purchasing, Apple Intelligence has enhanced the shopping experience. It can recognize products from the photos you take or screenshots from websites, and it can provide links to help you purchase them online. A good example of this would be exactly what you saw in there, where a photo is taken of the bike, and then AI can find, that product, similar products, show you where to buy them. It can also look for best deals and, short delivery times and things like that. But it can also track your purchase history and suggest related items that you might need to be, that you might need to purchase or you might be interested in. There's so many different features that are designed to make these interactions with you and the device more intuitive, more efficient, and really leveraging AI to understand and anticipate what your needs are. Now I'm going to finish out this video. It's a short video. It's under 5 minutes, but we'll finish out talking about private cloud computing because this is an exciting aspect of what's coming out of Apple.
Marks the start of a new era for Siri. With richer language understanding, Siri will follow along if you stumble over your words.
What's the weather tomorrow morning at Muir Beach? Oops, I mean Muir Woods.
The forecast is calling for clear skies in the morning near Muir Woods National Monument.
And you'll always have the option to type to Siri when you want to make your request a little more discreetly. Siri will give you step-by-step guidance on how to do something on your iPhone, like deleting duplicate photos from your library. This will be great for anyone new to iPhone. And it will be able to take hundreds of new actions in your apps, like updating a friend's contact card with his new address, or adding a set of photos to a specific album. Apple Intelligence draws on the immense power of our silicon to run multiple generative models on the iPhone in your pocket. For more computationally intensive tasks, Apple Intelligence can unlock even more intelligence with private cloud compute. Private cloud compute maintains the privacy and security of your iPhone while giving you access to generative models much larger than what fits in your pocket today. When you draw on private cloud compute, your data is never stored or shared with Apple. It's used only to fulfill your requests. And in a first for the industry, independent experts can continuously verify this privacy promise. This is an extraordinary step forward for privacy and AI. With new ways to express yourself and relive memories, along with tools to help you prioritize and focus so you can get more done, Apple Intelligence is going to transform so much of what you do with iPhone.
So I want to talk about private cloud compute. Now, when Apple Intelligence is paired with private cloud compute, it means that the AI features, it has features and services that are designed to work seamlessly while prioritizing user privacy and data security. Now, here's a breakdown of what it entails. In private cloud compute, it is a cloud service and it is dedicated to an individual. It can also be dedicated to a business or organization. And it provides a higher level of control and also security compared to public cloud services. Now, this would be a pay aspect of it. There'll be a pay aspect of it. But related to how Apple covers this, what they do is that your data is processed and stored in a way that ensures it remains private and secure. And how it works with Apple Intelligence, related to data privacy, Apple users, your data has its advanced encryption that's being used. And also, it also makes your data anonymous. And this way, it does ensure that any personal data that you have is a little more protected than what's commonly done out in the industry. Now, for example, when you use features like photo search or scheduling, the data is processed in a way that Apple cannot access your personal information. Now, on-device processing, many AI tasks are performed directly on your device rather than in the cloud. And this reduces the amount of data that needs to be sent to the Apple servers, and this further enhances privacy. For instance, facial recognition in photos is done on your device, so your images never leave your phone. Now, secure cloud storage, when data does need to be stored or processed in the cloud, it's done in a secure environment. Apple's private cloud infrastructure ensures that the data is protected from unauthorized access and breaches. Now, what are the benefits of this? Enhanced security. Your data is less vulnerable to hacking and unauthorized access. Improved privacy. Apple's approach really ensures that your personal information remains confidential. And also seamless integration. you can still get the benefits of powerful AI features without compromising on privacy. Now, this combination allows Apple to offer advanced AI capabilities while maintaining a strong commitment to user privacy and data security. Let me wrap up this stream and say that Apple Intelligence on iOS 18 and Mac OS devices represents a very significant leap forward in integrating AI into everyday tasks. By leveraging advanced machine learning and private cloud compute, Apple ensures that users can enjoy powerful, intuitive features while maintaining the highest standards, privacy, and security. Whether it's creating personalized content, enhancing productivity, or making daily interactions more seamless, Apple Intelligence is designed to make your digital experience more smarter, more personalized. And with these innovations, Apple continues to really set the standard when it comes to intelligent, user-centric technology. Okay, I greatly appreciate you joining me on this live broadcast. And don't forget to subscribe to the Digital Revolution with Jim Kunkel podcast. It's available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and many, many other podcasting platforms. Thank you, everyone. Hey there, podcasters, or those of you listening to this episode who has an interest in starting your own podcast. Well, I've got an exciting announcement for all of you who are passionate about podcasting or looking to launch a podcast. Podcasters, are you using Buzzsprout to host your podcast? If not, you're missing out. Buzzsprout is the ultimate platform for podcasters, offering top-notch hosting, distribution, and analytics. And for those looking to start a podcast, Buzzsprout is the perfect podcast solution for beginners. No matter where you are with your podcast, I've got some great news. Introducing Buzzsprout's Refer a Friend program. So my friends, check out and sign up with Buzzsprout, and both of us get rewarded with a referral credit. It's a win-win situation, but that's not all. Buzzsprout's referral program isn't just about credits. It's about building a community of passionate podcasters who support each other. So, what are you waiting for? You'll find the referral link in this episode's description, then head over to Buzzsprout and sign up. Let's grow together and revolutionize the podcasting universe.